It is. Yes. All right. Good morning, guys. Welcome to a new pre-market analysis. Today it's Friday. Yesterday we had CPI. Today we have, hold up, screen bigger. Forex factory. Oh, we have PPI. We have GDP on GBP, core PPI, and consumer sentiment. Yesterday we had job claims, of course, as well, but the CPI was the main news. Actual came lower as forecasted. AK is expected, meaning bearishness for the dollar. To confirm that, I always go to my FX book. Oops. My FX book. Because I'm not that good with the fundamental news yesterday. PPI inflation numbers. Yep, this one. And you can just click on it. And a higher than expected figure should be seen as bullish. Well, it was lower than expected. So yeah, that's that. Let's dive into the charts. I tried to trade yesterday, but no setup, unfortunately. All right, there we are. So let's quickly break it down. So I was saying shorts from here, and we actually got up, got above Asia highs, got above previous daily highs, and we pumped up, and I was like, okay, leave it. And as you can see, there was no more move. So yeah, that's that's already it. Wasn't more to it. Let me quickly add something to my charts, or remove actually. There we go. Yeah, that price line. You can see what price is, right? And we actually can see that we broke bullish. We took internal range liquidity, and we actually took external range liquidity. Let's go. Okay, that's all clean. So all that liquidity there is taken. We broke above. Well, we can see that we have liquidity building up here. And we got previous daily lows down here now. We got previous daily highs up here. We took previous weekly highs. Is it a fib? Oh. Whoa. Okay, let's take it off then. And all I write here is previous daily highs plus previous weekly high. Top, fat, that's it. That's clear. I understand what it's saying. Just to be sure, I add this. This can go. Oops. This is also a valid bullish break. So making this a low. Oops. And more importantly, making this a realignment. So what are we looking at? Following structure, not following liquidity, because I'm not happy with those lows there, but that started a daily and now look at yesterday. Okay, so that's interesting because we want to see a bullish break, but this is a liquidity grab. Looking at the candle formation, we closed below this wick. We took the highs and then we got that almost equal bearish to bullish closure. So structure wise, yes, we're looking at longs, but now looking at the daily candle, it's gonna be tricky. We over here, same story. We actually close below that. Liquidity on the 4 hour as well, even on the 1 hour, and even on the 50-minute, we close below. So I'm not looking at, well, yeah, I can look at long still, but bit 50-50 with it. So the area I would look for longs is, of course, below previous daily lows. But I can see this supply zone. Sorry, demand zone. So we got a 1 hour demand here. I think it's 15 actually. Let's make it a 15. If I look at this as a break, then this is my leg. This is my range. Hold up, I gotta write something down real quick. ABC, G, 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 big, P, P, where's P, where's P, where's P, there, price range. Nice. And then over here, okay, and we can already see that we reached discount pricing, so that's good. That's good, but where do we look for longs? Well, not from here. Hold up, let me get that back on. So first area for me would be actually from there. So if we go to the 15, I would say below this liquidity, I can look for longs. We can see that in sight. We have a 50-minute PY order block, mon zone, an order block. But other than that, this is not looking good on the higher time frame to me, and therefore I will wait for the extremes to look for longs. And at the extremes, we got another 50-minute demand zone, sweep below here, high, low, bullish break. And inside that, we have a nice 50-minute POI as well in the extreme, at the extreme level, so almost at the bottom of that demand zone. And yeah, I'm looking for longs. There's no reason for me to look for shorts. Why not shorts? Well, if you zoom out again, we have a high, low, high, high, low, high, high, discount reach, looking for higher pricing. We on the 4 hour, see that on the 4 hour, it's not that clean with liquidity here. It is not, it is a impulsive break, but the closure is not that strong. So a bit tricky with that. And this might be that liquidity for this overall range that needed to be engineered in order to be taken to then continue further down. So I don't know, liquidity wise, a bit tricky. Structure wise, low, high, and now we get that realignment on the light blue structure. So looking for longs on that. The area I marked out here is a bit tricky. Why? Because this is actually this low is looking to me like into the range liquidity. If you pull that across, you can see that nice trend line. So gotta keep that in mind. If we get a setup, we get a setup. Yeah. Wow. Nice. This is playing out quite nice so far. Taking out those lows, respecting that low actually. Building up that liquidity to the upside. So I'm just gonna mark that out from this perspective. We got liquidity here. And we got liquidity here. And all we gotta do is wait. Ideally want it to come above here, but we can see that if we come above here, we might get a short. Although I expect price to come higher, meaning that EU would not react from here. but will come lower at least and then give us a reaction. Sorry for the gum. I like it's 7 a.m. in the morning and I'm chewing gum at my desk like a maniac, super active. But yeah, I would say longs from below this. Why? Because well, we got previous daily lows down here, but we got Asia lows here. We got that minor bullish structure going on there as well. We got a clear, oops, we got a clear Asia low and Asia high. So yeah, I would say focus on that. Yeah, no comments on this. Looking for longs from here or here. No shorts. GU. Oh, tricky one though. Move all this. Previous daily lows take, and now we need a 15-minute realignment. That would mean breaking above here. I want to see price break above here, then get below here. Come into here this one, but I would say take a refined one. Come in here. Oh, sorry, it's already yes. Into that 50-minute demand zone. And from that 50-minute demand zone for longs. Why not yet? Because first we want price to break above to get that bullish structure break. Otherwise, there's no bullish structure to trade from. Yeah. Got below those lows. Again, pretty straightforward that was going to happen. Check out all this. New previous daily highs up here. Nice reaction from that level. And we can look for shorts from here. Some liquidity, not much, but some liquidity up here. Go to 5-minute. You see we have a sweep here. It's looking good as well. And that builds cases for shorts. There we go. Super clean PA on GU. Fortunately, unfortunately, well, this week it's unfortunate. I only trade London. Therefore, not many setups. Boom. Sorry. Um, yeah. DXY is a bit eh, 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 whack. So I'm leaving the XY for now. I'm gonna use it once I'm getting close to an entry drill, potential entry trade or potential trade, and then use it. But longs here and here, for GU, this scenario to get longs or longs from below Asia low. So either break above and get longs from here, or break below and get longs. EU longs here or here. GU, we can also short from here, but it's further away. And the XY, I don't know yet. It's a bit tricky. We have this structure, but yeah, I don't know. Zoom out on the XY. We are looking to short from this area. We have no structure realignment yet. Bearish break, but liquidity building up both sides. So let's wait for one side or the other side to be taken first, and then we can use that. Ideally, if we come down first, I would look for longs from here, of course. All right, so that's my pre-market analysis. Longs on the cards, and no realignment on DXY, or no understanding, not quite deep understanding. Got to keep that in mind. That I'm not that clear about DXY, but use my main pair. DXY is just confluence. So let's see. We'll catch you guys in the market. Peace out.